to sell natural cleaning products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products, and also is a platform where you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, there are a lot of products from a lot of sellers that are making a lot of money selling these products. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be one of those sellers and make a lot of money yourself. So let's just check one of these products, for example this one. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a shop page exactly like this one, where you add your products photos like this, and the video if you have one, how to enter the price of your product, and also how to add these details, and how to add the description and the shipping, the shipping and return policies also, and we show you how you can set that. So just start from the first click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to set your Etsy shop, you have to go through 6 steps. The first one is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then the third one is stock in your shop, then you will choose how you get paid, then set up payment processes for that, then you choose or you set the shop security. So let's start from the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So here we choose a name for the shop. So for me, I'm going to choose this name, remove the spaces between words, and shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. It seems the word needs a little bit of shortening. So the name is available, as you can see. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You can change all of this later. So here, before adding the photos and details, click first to save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill. So here we have 4 required fields to fill, and they start with the photos. So here, please upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, and here it's required to enter the price of the product. Then you have the listing details, where it's also required to fill all of these red fields. Then we have the shipping, and the same with it also, you need to fill the red fields. So it's just start from photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your items most important qualities. And for tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record a high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title, and here you type the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions: who made it, and what is it, and then when did you make it. You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here you can choose any category you'd like, just type the product's name, and here you have a lot of categories to choose from. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is the cleaning products. Then here we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color, then the sustainability. You can choose up to 3, if it has organic ingredients and plastic free and reusable, and if you choose more than 3, you will have 1 too many selected, so just leave it at 3. Then we have the occasion, if you want to search for one. So you have a lot of occasions in here. Then for the renewal options, if you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to use the manual one, which is free, and the type of the product, if it's physical or digital. Then for the description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you want to choose any, the section tags and materials, and those are optional, so it's just leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here you can choose, or you can type the price of your product. Make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping settings. So here you can enter the origin postal code, the processing time, and do the same again with the standard shipping, delivery time, select the business days, and if you want to charge free or fixed price for the shipping, do the same with everywhere else. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. So you can apply the 30 days policy, and then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.